So here we are in the car, and my friend here, Lexiganza, she's not in the car, but she tells me that this chicken noodle soup right here, Miss Grass's chicken noodle soup, is the best chicken noodle soup, and I don't think so. But we're about to find out when we get home and I make this. So, okay, so now I'm at home, and as you can see, I've changed. About to make this, and so here I go. I'm opening the box.
They also watched Texas Chainsaw.
I saw, I heard.
It was brutal at the end.
So in the box, there is the seasoning
start all
thing.
over again.
There's this little seasoning packet, and apparently there used to be an egg thing, and then inside there's just a whole bunch of noodles.
There used to be an egg thing. Should like better now or with the egg?
With the egg.
Why?
Because it was more fun. Mm. Okay, so according to the directions, now we have to boil some water. Here we go. Apparently you're supposed to make 4 cups of this. So.
Go.
Cut. Waiting for soup to boil. I don't know if I caught it in that last shot.
Are you recording?
The water's taking forever to boil.
I thought you were recording me tilting on the chair. I was like, so one
Water's
time,
not boiling.
Marcus, when we were
It's
there.
steaming and it's bubbling, so I think I'm gonna pour the noodles in now. I'm not gonna do it actually. It's boiling now.
Like one something things you must.
Oh, it was a list, like on the internet.
Oh, was it horror movies?
It was correctly because I poured the stuff in, but was I supposed to drain the water?
I also started watching.
You're making soup.
I also started watching some movie up here called As Above,
I guess
So
not.
Below.
All right, time to test to see if the noodles are soft yet.
Ooh, I want
Oh, cool, Chris.
These boys hot. They ain't done yet. Okay, these are taking forever to make, and already Campbell's has a point over Mrs. Grass, because all you have to do with Campbell's is pour the nasty-looking mixture into the pot, put some water in it, and then boil it, and then, like, you're done. Now, for this one, you have to cook it like ramen noodle soup. You gotta boil the water, and then you gotta pour the thing in. It takes forever, and the noodles still aren't, like, soft, so Campbell's is winning so far. Lexiganza, explain. 15 minutes or more, because this is taking its sweet time, and it's not done yet. I just tasted a noodle, and they're not soft yet, so what's happening? I would like to... So now it's time to serve it to our 3 judges. Him, her, and him. Mmm. Noodles. When I looked into the box, it didn't look like there was that many. Move it, I'll lose it. And now looking at this, there is actually a good amount. Oh, that's a lot of soup. Good amount of noodles in here, so I'm pretty happy. I'm content. I think that's enough. Okay. And I'm leaving a little extra in case anyone wants some.
I'm excited.
Time for the first bite. Gotta get a spoon. Okay, time for the first bite from judge number 1.
Close up. I mean. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well. I can definitely taste the chicken, even though there isn't any chicken in it. But the broth is clearly chicken broth.
It definitely doesn't have a lot of flavor.
There's still flavor, I think.
Not a lot. I don't know. It's the
You're not a fan of the
what
noodles?
the noodles look like.
And there's no like vegetables or anything in it. It doesn't taste bad, but I'd rather get my Campbell's out of a can than have to spend all the time making this.
Overall, it took way too long to make. It tastes a little bland. There's no vegetables or anything in there. The broth is good. It's probably a little healthier than Campbell's, but overall, Campbell's is better. I give this 7 out of 10.
So does Campbell's.
Overall, this took way too long to make. And it's very bland, and it's unhealthier than Campbell's.
It's healthier, probably.
And overall, I'd give it a 5 out of 10.
I already gave you my overall. I'd give it a 3.
So I just added 3 of our scores together, and then I divided it by 3 because there's 3 of us to get the average score, and it's 5.777 repeating. So 5.7 out of 10, which is below average. So this ain't the best chicken noodle soup ever. Now, I give Campbell's a solid 8 out of 10 because that was damn good. Yeah, do we agree? What do we think Campbell's is?
I'd give it a 5. If
Campbell's a
you're
5?
talking about the one with the long noodles, I'd give it a 5.
What do you give Campbell's?
I give Campbell's a 9.
Yeah.
Most out with the short noodles, I would give that an 8.
So overall, we definitely liked Campbell's more, but we did agree that if the egg was back, it might taste better. So hashtag bring back the egg.